Hey there everyone, I'm Vicki Howell, founder and stitcher-in-chief of YarnYAY, and I am here for my favorite time of the month, which is when I get to share all of the amazing goodies and projects and companies that we have gathered together to bring you the next YarnYAY subscription box. And not only is it my favorite time of the month, it is actually one of my favorite months of the year. October is so much fun. I love fall. I love all the holidays surrounding from now on through the end of the year. And so we could not be more excited to be sharing with you the October box. So I'll do less talking and more showing now. All right, so we always start for YarnYAY unboxings by sharing the yarn, right? Duh. So this month, I love a theme, always have, always will. In October, what better yarn to have than one by Zombie Yarns? And the yarn is called Scream. So we are going to be featuring this Scream yarn. It is a luscious single ply wool. It's hand dyed by Lorna Miser. She is an amazing dyer, originally founded Lorna's Laces and then moved on, and this is her most recent company. And I just really love some of her fun, playful dyes and yarns. And so this one really spoke to me because not only is it great for sort of like that Halloween vibe, it's got kind of a funky, cool thing going on, but it's also really just a kind of an amazing classic fall colorway. So this is called Copperhead, and you'll be getting a hank of this. So we'll be working with this, but what will we be making? Well, I told you I love a theme, and this month, oh man, we leaned into it. So you might be seeing pumpkin spice everything and all the things. I don't know how you feel about it, but we decided to feel really, really good about it, and we leaned in heavy to it. So we are going to, for the very first time, be doing two things with our projects. We're going to be felting, which we have not done for YarnYAY yet, and we are going to be making an object instead of an accessory. And that object is a pumpkin. So this is knitted and felted, and of course, we always do for crocheters what we do for knitters. So, and this is the crochet version. We are going to be making these really cute plush pumpkins. They're great for Halloween, they're great for general fall, they're great for your Thanksgiving table. Really, I mean, they're great just to put a smile on your face, good for the desk, whatever, and really fun to make. Also, if you've not tried felting before, it is magical. It's like fiber alchemy. So we're really excited to be able to share that with you. We always do tutorials to talk you through that kind of stuff as well. So you'll go out and you'll forge your own stick because nature. And then we've included a template to make your leaf if you want to, or you could do whatever you wanted. I'd love to see how you would embellish yours as well. But we have included a little square of felt for you to at least use that as a jumping off point if you'd like to. All right, and so in every box, we always include a full color booklet. And what it includes is both the knitting and crochet patterns, so you can choose which one sort of fits your fancy. But also we include all of the other indie businesses that you support by supporting YarnYAY. This month we've got several amazing small businesses, and I just could not be more thrilled. So we've already talked about Zombie Yarns. So that is one, and that is California based. Then we also are going to be getting something from Canadian designer Paula Sibbald. She owns Kelmscott Designs, and they're known for her custom scissors. So because we went with this, we're leaning into that pumpkin sort of seasonal theme. We went with custom pumpkin scissors. I love these. I am a big fan of whatever season it is, working with tools that sort of fit in with that vibe. And her particular scissors, she has many different designs. They're collector's items. So we were really thrilled when she agreed to be a part of this YarnYAY box. So that is your second thing. All right, and then we are gonna round out our theme with a little pumpkin spice. So I discovered this amazing company called Bee Bella, and they are three guys, beekeepers who met each other in college and created this really fantastic company, organic, fair trade. And they have brought us a pumpkin spice lip balm. I don't know about you, but sometimes I like to hug on my knits. You can't have rough lips when you're doing that, people. You're going to get the fibers all screwed up. You can't do that. And we are here for you. So you are going to have a little pumpkin spice smooch to go with your stitches this month. So that is that for our October box. All of that for only $35 plus your flat rate shipping. All right, so let's say you maybe don't want to make the pumpkins, or you want to make the pumpkins and some other stuff because you're having so much fun felting. We've got a couple other options. So if you want to nab another hank of yarn, we will have more available. We will have the Copperhead that I already showed you that everyone's getting, and we will also offer Zirple, which is a special purple that she put together for us. Lorna is all about the purple, so this is right up her alley. So you can buy, with 2 hanks, you can make one of 2 patterns, which we will also have the patterns available on our website, YarnYAY.com. We've got the knit felted tote, and you can see how the fibers have melded together to make not only a really cool fabric, but a really sturdy bag, or a crochet version. So you'll just need 2 total hanks. So you could either buy 2 additional hanks or just 1 extra if you're not going to make the pumpkin. And then we will also have available the Cocoa Knits, another great woman-owned indie company, handles if you're interested in those as well. You can also use whatever handles you'd like and sew them on. We just really love these because they're removable. So if you ever needed to wash it or you wanted to felt it more, you just pop them off and pop them back on. So you can find all of these as sort of bonus things that you can nab this month. And then as always, we have your needles and hooks. You will be needing a L hook if you're crocheting, and you'll need 11s, DPNs, and circulars, or if you're using magic loop, a longer circular, or you could do it all in DPNs. Just depends on what you like, and those will need to be 11. So we have aqua wooden needles under the Vicky Howell brand, and those are also available on our website. So that is it. I hope that you are as excited about entering fall by felting as we are. I can't wait to spend the rest of the season stitching with you. Go ahead and hop on over to YarnYAY.com and subscribe to October Now.